Hi, welcome to Unit 2 of English 101. But first, I really think that some congratulations are in order because you have completed Unit 1 of our course where we looked at literacy as self-empowerment. Plus, you wrote an original college-level thesis-driven essay where you engaged writing as a step-by-step process, and you focused on what the purpose of writing your essay was, and as well as what audience you intended to engage. Very well done. So Unit 2, we will be looking at some of technology's effects on literacy. The unit does last for 4 weeks, and the difference this time is that you'll be doing a little bit of research, and research always means finding information. You want information in your essay which is honest, reliable, and comes from knowledgeable people to back up your own ideas when you write. And of course, you'll document your sources. A research source needs to be believable, needs to be respected, and you need to decide, once you know it's believable and respected, does it deserve to be in your essay? Will it add credibility to your own work? And of course, you're going to vet each source so you can judge those qualities for yourself. So when we first look at technology and literacy as the two relate to each other, we're going to look at our devices. And of course, that will include cell phones, but also other online sites and resources, as well as the internet tools we use, most of us, on a daily basis: Google, YouTube, and of course, there are many others. We're going to look at how much choice we exercise when we use the internet and those favorite apps. Do you think when you use your favorite apps and sources or web resources, your social media, do you really think it's all your choice? How many times you click and that sort of thing? We'll look into that. You can decide for yourself and make up your own mind, and then share your conclusions in online with your colleagues in an online discussion. For now, keep track of what you find out that interests you, that surprises you, so that you can analyze, make connections, decide what you think, and put it all together in your end of unit essay. Remember, this is a discovery process. That's the best thing about writing. Writing is discovery. And I will see you in class.